guys. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Blackview Color 8. So, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated firewall. How to activate it, you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But if you don't see it on the Blackview device, start from the simplest way. Open the top menu and try to restart the Bluetooth connection. So just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone. In the next step, let's open the settings. Then go to the system and choose reset options. Then go to the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Choose the reset settings button and tap on this button again. If you still don't have your device on the Bluetooth list, you can also try to up your system. So in the system like before, go to the system update. Tap on the check for updates. If you have any, install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.